Hello class, how are you? Now we are going to talk about the term reaction. We will first concept here what is reaction. What is reaction? We will take the term what is reaction. Reaction is the concept which is known as the re plus action. The reaction word is simplified added with the terms re plus action which combined together comes which is known as reaction. मतलब something is going to be at its original position or equilibrium position, some temperature or some pressure is given again which carry out the action into again form. This is known as reaction. That term reaction is established with the self action which is modified again. This is known as reaction. Now we are coming to the organic part. This is our carbylamine reaction, or this is known as Hoffman isocyanide synthesis. This reaction was carried by with the scientist named Hoffman. Which is what is the name of the scientist? That is Hoffman. This is known as Hoffman isocyanide synthesis. In this concept, when the chloroform is heated with primary amine, listen, chloroform is heated with the primary amine and alcoholic OH, then the isocyanide is formed. What is formed? Isocyanide is formed with the extremely unpleasant smell known as carbylamine. Now we are seeing the reaction. This is our ethylamine. That is our primary amine. And this is our chlorosystem, this is our chloroform system, and this is our alcoholic OH. When we heated this, there is formed an energetic reaction. Which kind of reaction? Enthalpic and entropic reaction. Here with dissociation of bonds has been occurred. Dissociation of bond. Dissociation of bond has been occurred and the ethyl isocyanide has been formed and the potassium chloride and hydrogen has been liberated. This reaction is known as carbylamine reaction. This concept has been clear. One doubt there should be coming is that how the bond is breaking down, how the bond is making. So for a reaction to be carried out, every reaction make this sense to come its equilibrium position. Which position? Equilibrium. This all system when heat is given, their bonds get break down due to the increase in energy, and now they are attaining their equilibrium by making these bonds, making these products or making this kinds of bond. This is known as Hoffman isocyanide synthesis. Further discussion we will do in our meetup class. Okay. And the one more thing, when you don't get the judgment of the mechanism, just open the reaction. For example, if we take CH3Cl, this is written CH3Cl. If we open C, and here it is Cl, H and H, and the bond break down by this side. This will go into CH3 plus and Cl minus. Then they will further go on. Then the reaction will be carried out. Okay, fine.